This is so stupid. Feel the wind in my hair. I hate this car. Hi guys, welcome back to Accelerate. I'm Drew, and today we are back with the E36, and as seems to be a common theme here for some reason, it's snowing. The plan today is to make a start on the interior, because once we get the interior back together, we can put the other bits back on, get it out on the road and actually take it for a drive. So let's get stuck in. For those who haven't seen, or for those who may have forgotten, this is how the interior of the E36 sits at the moment. Yes, I know it is a sad sight, but that's why we're here today, to rectify. So first things first, we're going to get everything out, even removing the seats, and then we'll get everything masked up, ready for paint. So this may seem like a stupid idea to paint, not only in the rain, but also in sub-zero temperatures. And to be honest, yeah, it is. But we have got a timeline we're trying to stick to, so we're trying to get it done as quickly as we can for you guys so we can actually get it out on the road. So if it fails, at least we know why. So we're actually going to be plasti dipping the dashboard as opposed to paint. I've already plasti dipped the other interior bits. I'm a big fan of plasti dip. I know a lot of people aren't, but I think on interior plastic specifically, I think they come up very nice, really good finish. It's also very easy to use, especially for beginners especially, so if there is anyone considering it, honestly, it's very forgiving stuff, and as I said, I think it gets a good finish. I know this is a ghetto setup and a ghetto job in general. This is only a temporary fix. Basically just masking up and plasti dipping the dash, but this is how it looks at the moment. So we're only plasti dipping the bits you can see there. And as I said, only a temporary fix. We do all this stupid stuff, so you don't have to. First bit. This is so stupid. So this is how the final piece looks at the moment, guys. The sun has started to set, so the camera's really not picking it up very well, but first impressions is I'm really impressed with the finish. It blends in really well and looks really good. So that's going to be it for today, guys. It's not the end of the video, but we are running out of sunlight, so we're going to crack on with it tomorrow to get the interior back together. So hopefully you will join us then.
I think you got your seat down a bit too much. Or you're very small. And
okay, day 2 with the E36 interior. Kenny is now back with us.
unfortunately.
So today it's a case of putting everything back in together, and Kenny is going to have the first drive in 6 years?
Yeah, I drove it back from Norwich.
That's right.
When you picked it up, I actually drove it all the way home with a whiny diff.
So once again, let's get stuck in.
Let's do it. Right, the reason I said unfortunately is I'm not a big fan of plasti dip whatsoever. But I'm gonna be honest, it does look a lot better in here. So we'll see what the rest of it looks like when it's all together. It's a crap though. Okay, so let's get this light back in so it's not giving to this anymore. Right, plugs first and then we can bolt it in. fair play. He's going to be knackered for about a month. This is going to really wipe him out. Yay, it's all done, let's go for a drive. Oh no, it's not, no, it's just on wheels. We have no seats. That for concentration, even the tongue's out.
God, it's still cold. I feel my toes. I don't have any toes.
Feel the wind in my hair with a high
Ah,
Got Liana over there.
done it again.
I hate this car.
Whoa, I just got that on camera.
I love this car.
Why make things so difficult?
Liam's happy, he's singing Moana as he's at it. These happy little workers. That one's biting his...
Watch me drop.
I'm a slave, I need help. Please rescue me.
Ugh. I would say Andrew's working, but I think he's falling asleep. I think Liam's nodded off too. None of them moved for a while.
Just screwing.
Oh. No time for aerobics, Andrew. I know, no.
Ah, that's so uncomfortable. You got the
Oh, you know,
screwdriver thing.
Screwdriver thing.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
Yeah, 2 seconds. You just go back to sleep.
I got one screwdriver.
Back to my aerobics.
So I just go and get you one out of the toolbox.
Right, can you tell the world what you just said when you were off camera?
Right, I gotta be honest, I hate Plasti Dip, as I've already said, but it really does look okay. No, it actually does really look nice. How long it's gonna last though is another thing, but it does really, really look good. Unfortunately though, you have got your crappy seats.
Yes, that's the next step.
He's got a set of Vaders to go in, which you know.
As Kenny said, guys, there's still more to come. This is by no means finished. Next up, we are going to be doing something special with the door cards because they've got the typical E36 sag, and we have got. I'm going to tidy up the Vaders and get them back in as well. So it's that time. We're gonna. Sorry. Sorry. Right, it's that time. We're going to jump in the Beamer. Kenny's going to take it for his first drive in 6 years, and we'll see what he thinks.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of it so far?
Yeah, it's mad. Obviously, old school.
Yes,
So,
very different compared to yours.
yeah, what I like though is the mechanical feel of it more
Yeah.
than anything. Like I said, mine is very numb. As exciting as it is fast.
Yeah.
It is numb and it's
Yeah.
not. I don't know. You know, you feel kind of more connected to this.
Yeah.
Everything feels more mechanical.
Yeah. I'll say that's been sat for months as well. So, whoa! Yeah.
I can tell that by the brakes. Or lack of. Yeah, the throttle's a bit stiff on the
My
mind.
clutch is springy and stuff.
Yeah. Seems like they want to
She's
hit,
certainly characterful.
I mean, old.
Yeah.
No, it still drives quite tight. Yeah, so I said I love the steering of this car.
Yeah. Say it's not even like set up properly yet.
You're actually on it if you
Should we go to 7?
build it up.
The limit doesn't raise.
Bloody hell. Yeah, bloody hell. Actually, yeah, it's just quite impressive. Yeah, it's cool. Old school. It's like driving my van. Power wise.
Ah, you motherfucker.
It's nice to drive, as in it's.
Yeah, you know, we're never
mechanical
designed
wheel and
to
stuff.
break speed records with it, so.
No, just as well.
Yeah. So I got every bolt on I think you can possibly get on there, and I'm lucky to be pushing 200 brake. So that's the E36 all back together. As I said, not quite finished yet, but she's certainly getting there, and she's now certainly roadworthy.
Progress is progress.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you
Thank you.
soon.